All right, welcome to Diliberto Technology. Today, let me introduce you this brand new smartwatch D13. As we can see, the design of the dial, we have 3 designs, right? And you can also customize your own photo into the wallpaper. This all can be done in the app. So when you go back, swipe, you have the training mode and how many calories you can burn, and your daily walking distance, also your steps you walked, and your sleeping tracker, and then the weather, and then you go back to the screen. So it's very interesting design we have here. You have the power button here and also the back. You can always go back from the 2 buttons. You swipe this way, you go to a very fast mode on this, and you swipe down, you go to more features. You have the shutter release for your camera. Also very interesting breath practice here. And then you go back, there's more. You can always test your average. You'll have training mode in walking, running, cycling, skipping, and badminton, basketball, football, swimming. Okay. Heart rate monitor, and you can check your daily heart rate. Okay. And the way to connect to the app is you have to use your menu here, user menu, and then you just simply use your phone to scan the QR code, and then it will show up the app, your Safari, your browser, and the name of the app is The Fit, because I already downloaded this. So we just click open, and you go to, you have your profile, you have go, and add a device. You have your device showed up, and then you just got connected. You show the percentage of battery, as you can turn the notification on, and that way you get notification from your WhatsApp, from your message and phone. And you can also set up your alarm. You can set up your alarm. Very straightforward and simple, minimalist design. So the most important and interesting feature we have in this watch is the options to have more and a lot of watch faces, right? There's a preset, there's 3 of them, and then you can always discover more with the interesting dial design. And also you can customize and put your own photo into it. Yeah, choose this one and download immediately. It's downloading, and so currently it's uploading to your watch. Right, once it's done, and it'll show up to your watch. Still loading. Transfer percent, 90%. I think it's done. There we go. We have this brand new watch faces for you, and we have 4 now, and as well as my own photo here. So you can customize your own watch face by simply click edit. You go to the button edit, and you can select the test color. You can change the color for red. I like red, and time position above, or you can set it below. You can underneath there. I think above is better. And you can have the date, heart rate, and steps, and then you can also select your own picture here, right? So select a photo we just have, right? So I just click done, and you can save it. It's uploading the screen's updating. Take a little bit of time. Please open the app to upgrade it. So it's updating. So once the updating is done, your own photo is become your wallpaper, and you can set a family photo and the ones you love in your watch, and you can see it every day.
好，到。
Okay, boom, it's finished. As you can
Wow.
see, we've already got it downloaded to your watch, so you can get to see the wallpaper. You just set it up, right? Have your previous one, you know, it's all set. And you can have your record, your daily record for how many steps you have and the distance, how many meters, because we're in metric system, so is how many meters you walked, and your sleeping tracker, heart rate monitor, and blood pressure, blood oxygen, outdoor running. That's in your homepage. You can get what's happening today every day. And the second one, as we can see, is the upgrades option. More options by clicking others. There's more setting options, so you can find your device, and then you can set your time format for 24-hour time format, and also you can turn on your reminder to move. So if you sit there for so long, and it can always remind you to do some exercise. And the full day heart rate is very important, but just remember it will burn your battery a little bit more. And the do not disturb function, you can set the time, and you want to keep it quiet for a certain time. And the language setting here, you have a bunch of options here. You have English, Chinese, Japanese, Korean, Deutsch, Français, Espanol, and you have all the options. So for instance, if you change it to Français, and then you automatically update it to your phone, and you have all the options in French language. And if you change it to, say, it's another example, Korean, okay, and it'll also change to Korean, as you can see. Okay, it's all in Korean now. Cool. The unit format, you have metric system, imperial system, and quick view and valid period all day. You can also set a time for it, and the weather is on, and the temperature format is Celsius or Fahrenheit. The location, you can manually type in your location for the city with your zip code. Okay, so there's more options. The upgrade, you can always check your software is up to date, and the shutter release, you can control your camera from your watch, and notifications, you can choose to turn it on or off. So that's pretty much it. And you go back to, you can set up your profile and set up a goal, and every day you achieve your goals. And the health, to connect to the health app to your iPhone. Cool. Recording the raise to wake up. As you can see, if you raise your hand, it's already wake up. And now let me show you a little bit about the box. It's a very small box here, and because I already opened it, so I have a transparent layer of plastic here, and here is about the normal size and very lightweight. The finish is a matte finish on it, and then you have the letter to show the power button, and also this back button. And the back of this watch have this sensor ready, and then the strap of this watch have this format to help for you when you sweat a lot, and they keep you cool. So that's pretty much about this watch. And then we have this charging cable. The way to charge it is using the USB. The other side of it is magnet. Connect to it, and the other one is USB.